Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can always see items on the ground in Path of Exile 2. In order to do so, here we are in Path of Exile 2, and what you're looking for is in the options screen. So if you want to find options, you can always just press O on the keyboard, and that will take you straight into your options. Then from there, we want to make sure that we have interface selected. And then we want to scroll down, and we're going to keep scrolling until we see the option here that says always highlight. And right now you can see that that is checked. So that means that items and objects such as chests and waypoints will always be highlighted. If you want to toggle that off, you can just click it and then hit save, and you can toggle that on and off. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.